Hello, fast trackers, and today we have a fantastic video for you. We have Mr. Edwards, Kamal Edwards, here with us today. He's just passed his driving theory test, and we wanted to bring him back to ask some questions about how his experience was with fast track trading. How are you today, Kamal?
I'm fine, thank you.
Lovely to speak to you, and thank you again for coming back to speak with us. We're really, really grateful to you.
Yes.
I wanted to ask you a question. How did you find out about us, first and foremost?
Well, I was on a Heights Green, and I think I was going to the dentist or something down the Heights Green, and I saw your sign, the sign up on the door, and I knocked on the door, and actually I was talking about something else. But I saw the passports and all. Then I said I want to take my uh, theory
Driving
test.
theory, yeah.
Right. And you said you can help us out. You can help me out with that. I said, okay, fine. And we sat down inside the office. It was the office thing, but sat down inside and we started talking with the computers and then you booked me up for it, which I was really happy about that.
Did I take you upstairs to the computer room?
No, you didn't.
I
You,
didn't. It was on the first day, was
uh,
it?
yeah, it was downstairs. You had
It
me
was
in the room.
downstairs. It was
Yeah,
downstairs. Yeah, yeah. And then later, on our first lesson, we were in the computer rooms. We were teaching. I remember that.
right. Yeah,
Wow, amazing. Because this was before COVID, and we knew each other before
yeah,
COVID.
it
You came
was.
to our office.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much. And so, how quickly did you pass? I know COVID came, everything shut down, but we were still doing classes online. How long did it take for you to pass?
It took me almost a year, you know, to study abroad. I thought it was gonna be like so easy, but it was different. And I was passing one part. I was passing the theory, failing the hazards. Then I was passing the hazard and failing the theory. And it was kind of frustrating. And even COVID was on, but I talking to you and you stuck with me. You said, look, don't give up. I said, okay. And I'm glad that I did talk to you because I didn't give up and I kept studying. I said, you know what? I'm going to pass this thing. I'm going to pass it. And I just studied. And then the day came. It was on a Thursday. I'll never forget. I went down there where Earl Market Square. I went to the building up there. I said, you know what? I was talking to the gentleman inside the building downstairs, and I was talking to him for a little bit. I said, you know what? I have a funny feeling this is my day. And he went upstairs, took my time, went inside, done the test, took my time. So what they done was they filled it up. Like, how they give it to you and filled it up. So I went back to the lady. I said, excuse me, ma'am, did I pass or I fail? She says, oh, you passed. So the gentleman that was sitting down, he knew I came back a few times. So he says, how many times? I said, I came back quite a few times.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I,
yeah, yeah.
I said, you know what? He says, hey, they all congratulated me. I was so happy. I said, I feel like I could jump up to the ceiling.
Because you did an excellent job. You worked hard, but the great thing was you persisted, you kept going. And
Yeah,
and what did you think about the videos and the materials that we sent you?
great. Whatever videos that you give me, all the students just study the videos, study the videos. You know, you get the videos about the the questions, the 50 questions or whatever. You got so many videos, well, not so many, but I think one of the videos had about 1,000 questions. I was studying it.
Yeah, you did all of it. We have 40 videos, 40 quizzes,
Yeah, I studied.
1,300. 70 questions. I
I
don't tell the
started.
students that. They get scared when they know the full course is quite robust.
Well, I know, but you know what? To me, it was helpful to me because to learn all of that, and I learned so much, and it was kind of sticking in my head like glue. That that I
Yes.
seemed like I never forgot it. And then empty houses, I said, you know what? I'm gonna keep kept going empty houses, kept going, kept going, didn't stop. And when I looked, that day came and I passed the hazard and I passed the theory, and I was so happy. Thank you so much.
No, it's our pleasure. We're very grateful to you. And how do you feel now that you've passed? What's your feeling now that you've got your theory certificate, you've got your driving test coming up?
The theory part, that's the first hurdle. I passed that. The driving part, is certain things that I have to do. If I'm looking at your center mirror, looking at if you're turning left, you're looking at your, well, I call it the wing mirror. It's like when you apply the wing mirror, and then you put your indicator down. If you're going right, you look at your center mirror, you look at your wing mirror, and then you put your indicator down for the right.
Yeah,
And that's,
mirrors, maneuver, signal.
yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
mirrors, signal, maneuver. Beg your pardon.
maneuvers, yeah,
Mirrors,
yeah. So
signal, maneuver. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, it's kind of, I didn't get to see in Bermuda. We just use the signals, like the indicating, right? We just use that. We don't look left or right, you know. But I'm got the hang of it, of looking left and right now, because even I drive my daughter's car, it's an automatic, but I do with her car, so kind of getting used to it. It's kind of sticking into me. So
Or
I know.
driving wise, you're going to be fantastic. I can definitely tell. But I wanted to ask you another question. What was the hardest thing about driving theory? What was the most difficult thing about passing?
You driving dirty?
What was the most
Or
difficult thing for you to pass the test? What made it so hard?
um I think it was I ran focusing like I should. I wasn't focusing
No, 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 no. I don't think that was true, Mr. Edwards. I think you were focusing really, really well because you passed the exam with the multiple choice. It's just the hazard perception. Because I remember you saying with computers, with technology, it was a little bit difficult. But
but yeah,
your understanding of what the theoretical side was on point because you kept messaging me and saying, "Hey, what's this? What's this?" And I kept answering. So you sending me videos and you're sending me things. I don't think you were disciplined. I think it was the computer technology.
yeah, yeah. It was the computer part of it anyhow, but you know, whatever you do, you just gotta practice, 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 and
That's
you get better.
wise advice. Thank you for the advice. And what did you think about the teachers?
Teachers were excellent. It's just a matter of paying attention and listening and studying yourself. You got to study. You just can't just go in and thinking that, oh well, I done one some my theory question today. I ain't got to worry about it. But no, when you go home and study some more and study some more and study some more. When you keep on studying, you can get better. And that's what it is. You study, you get better. It's like making a piece of like you're making a cake or like you're cooking. But if you're not a cook, you learn, you practice, and you get better. And that's what you got to do. Keep
Very good
practicing.
analogy. Yes, yes. Keep practicing. Like cooking,
Keep
you want to keep practicing. Yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah, keep practicing. And then you get better. And you fly. You pass with flying colors.
And
You know.
I have another question for you. Would you recommend us to others?
Yes, definitely. You know, you you guys do a great job. You know, getting people to pass the theory tests. And then you can recommend for Once you pass your theory test, then you gotta, your driving test. You gotta make an appointment to get a test for the examiner. So everything is slowly falling in place. It's slowly getting there. So the thing is, I know that I'm gonna make it. I know that. I know I'm gonna make it. That's the confidence that I've got. Thanks to you guys, Fast Track. Thank you very much.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much. So we do hope we give everyone confidence to pass, to get through their exams. Last question I have for you is, what made it so easy to pass with us, or what made it so easy to pass for you?
Well, for me, what made it so easy is because I never gave up. I never gave up, and that's the whole idea. Don't give up, just keep going. You may say, well, I failed today, I didn't make my third today, but don't give up. Don't give up. Keep going.
It's beautiful advice.
Yes, just keep going.
I think what you're talking about, I think there was a lot of conversations where you've been for an exam. Like, I remember the most interesting conversations when you did pass your multiple choice, and then we didn't get the hazard. I remember that was like, we worked so hard on one side or the other. So it's really good that fast track training teachers can be there to give you the confidence, and we're really grateful to you that you stuck through it. You have your certificate, you will get your driving license. Is there anything that you want to tell any other students that are struggling, or anybody else that's feeling a bit low or sad? Is there anyone else that you want to give a message to?
Well, I can give a message to everybody. The whole deal is that, like I said before, keep going, don't give up. Listen to your teachers. Study, study, study. And you will make it. You will definitely make it. Don't worry about, oh, I failed today. It's not the end of the world. Just keep going, and you'll make it. Definitely make it.
Thank you, Mr. Edwards. Thank you, Kamal. I think our relationship is worth its weight in gold. It really is. We've spent so much time together working on our your past, but our relationship, and we want you to stick around for as as long as you feel happy with us. Again, I don't think you need anything else after this, but we do have more courses like taxi driving theory, lorry driving, citizenship training, English language training. But friends and family are always welcome, and whoever's a friend and family of yours is a friend and family of ours. Yes.
Well, it's a pleasure. You know what I mean? I appreciate you telling me this here, because yeah, I'm gonna be knocking on your doors a lot of times.
Well, the new office is going to be up and running, so please do come and visit us next year, 2023.
Yeah,
please come and see us. Yes.
Yeah, and I'm good. I got the appointment for. Thanks to you again. I got the appointment for Ashfield, and it's only about 16 minutes away from where I am. 16 minutes. It's up.
Just for everyone listening, he's speaking. Kamal is speaking about his driving test. So once he's finished his theory, he's got his driving test on January, February, March, April. Was it April?
April the 5th, 2023, 2:30 in the afternoon at Ashfield.
We will be putting a comment down below to let everyone know the result of Mr. Edwards' exam. So we'll let everyone know.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's close by. You've got that exam. We'll always be there to support you.
It's Ashfield's not a big city like Colic, but it's smaller. It's smaller, and I haven't been over that way yet, but I guess I'll get over there.
Well, for your driving test, we'll show you some tips and tricks for that one as well, I think. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. But Kamal, before I let you go, because that's all the questions we have, is there anything that you want to say? Anything that you think we may have missed out? Anything that's on your mind?
I just want to go to Heights and Green and get some of that nice coffee.
We will. Tyson Green. What we're referring to is Tyson Green in Nottingham, which was outside of our old office. So yeah, there is that lovely chaiwala tea, some
Well,
chai.
yeah,
Yeah, we'll get it. No, you can drive there. You pick me up and we'll drive there.
yeah, it would be great, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so nice. It's really, really nice. But
Yeah.
everybody, don't give up, please. Please don't give up.
Sage advice. Thank you, Kamal, and we wish you the most success in your future. Our relationship as a teacher and student is now finished. You are now a friend of Fast Track Training. Please let us know if there's anything else we can do to help you. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Rahil. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
And you yourself. Thank you, Kamal. I'll
Okay.
see you soon.
Would you like to speak with a teacher and get started straight away? You can begin in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Visit our website by clicking the link below. Step 2. Fill out our inquiry form with your details, and we will contact you back shortly. If you would like to speak with us straight away, then click the WhatsApp Now button and message us today. Step 3. If you are ready to start learning, then click on the course you would like. Once you have filled in your payment details, click Purchase and you will have access to your course. A teacher will contact you back within 24 hours to speak with you about your training. It's as simple as that. To request more information, leave a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Secure your future today with Fast Track Training. Worldwide learning and tuition.